Flave City family, what is up? It is Bobby coming at you back from Costco. I'm back here because the June-July sale that just started the other week still has a bunch of items on sale, and people have been DMing me and asking me about them. So I thought I'd come back to my favorite place on the planet, like a warehouse, and go through the remaining sale items here, show you what's Bobby approved, and make sure if you're gonna buy it, it has what we call best-in-class ingredients or Bobby approved. So less talking, more shopping. Let's walk around Costco and do our thing. Looky here, Jessica Alba's Honest, getting some love at Costco. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't think I've ever seen the Honest body wash here at Costco, and that's a good thing, especially that it's on sale. But before I show you why it's good, pick up pretty much any bottle of commercial or generic body wash. It's Olay, Neutrogena, Dove. It's the kind of stuff you want to stay away from. So this is OG. My mom used to have this back in the 80s, and there's no way, I'm sorry, Jennifer Garner, there's no way she's using something like this. So this is shower and bath gel. My gosh, this brings back the memories from the 80s, my friends. Let's see the ingredients here. Okay, this is a prime example of what you don't want to put on your body. I'm sorry, Mom. So we see ingredients here like polysorbate 20. See where it says right there, PEG 60? PEG is a petroleum-based emulsifier preservative. Look at the end here, you see yellow number 5, red number 40, blue number 1. Those are artificial colorings. Most all of the commercially made body products or personal care products are loaded with toxic ingredients. And think about it, your skin, your epidermis is your biggest organ in your body. If you don't pay attention to what goes on your skin, you're doing yourself a disservice. And unfortunately, we look at ingredients for food, it's hard to understand what the ingredients for the personal care products are. Many of them are skin irritants, fragrances, allergens, and downright toxins. So this is something I would not use, and I can promise you she's not using it either. Which leads us to this. Jessica Alba's Honest. I like this because it's not the best on the market by any means, but it's the best at Costco by far. You look at the ingredients here, you don't see those harsh chemicals, skin irritants, parabens, PEGs. Overall, it's pretty darn clean, and at $4 off, that's a great deal. The stuff we use at home is mostly bar soap, but if I was gonna use liquid soap like this, I would use something from a Cure. It's a great non-toxic company, but this is actually really solid. The fact it's on sale, another win. Compare it to those, it's a total win. I love coconut water on a hot summer day, and to be honest, you can't beat that deal. At $15.49 or 18 boxes for $15.49, under $1 a box, it's unbeatable. But I do recommend you spin this around here, scan it with the Bobby approved app, or just look here. It's not just coconut water. It puts 1% or less than sugar. And yes, that's still just a little bit. But why, oh why, would you add cane sugar to something that is so naturally sweet? When you start to add up the sugar you have throughout the day, it's too much. And even though it's 1 gram, this is not Bobby approved. And another reason why I don't love this kind of shelf-stable coconut water is what's called high heat pasteurized. When you high heat pasteurize, you nuke at very high heat the living enzymes in here. I wish it was on sale, but it's not. But if you walk all the way back to the refrigerator section, the Kirkland version of the pink coconut water, kind of like Harmless Harvest, that's not high heat pasteurized, that's high pressure pasteurized, or what I call Freddie Mercury. Bum, 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 bum. And when you do that, you don't kill the living enzymes in there, and it doesn't have added sugar. That is a yes. And I know this one is a great price here, but it's a hard no, and it's not Bobby approved. If you look at the coupon book, you're gonna see a lot of household products and cleansers are on sale here. And honestly, every time I walk through the household cleanser section here, I get a headache. And you hear me talking a lot about a non-toxic household. Unfortunately, these products, in my opinion, are toxic, and the ingredients back that up. If you watch the Flave City Instagram a lot, I use a product at home called Branch Basics, 100% non-toxic, allergen-free, and I have a great promo code. But if you look at the ingredients on any of these detergents or sprays or soaps, they're loaded with possible toxins, parabens, PEGs, allergens, and fragrances. When you start adding up that, plus the other household products you use, it gets scary in terms of the amount of toxins in your house. You do not want to use these. I know they're a little cheaper, but you don't want it. Try something called Branch Basics. You order online. My promo code gets you 15% off the starter kit. But it's cool how it works. You get a bunch of empty bottles and then a big bottle of concentrate. And then for the bottles, you fill up a certain amount of water and concentrate per bottle. For the hand soap, For the all-purpose spray, for the dish detergent, I go through the all-purpose spray probably 1.5 bottles a week because I explode my kitchen every day. It works very well. And the premium starter kit has their version of, what's it called, OxyClean, but it's 100% non-toxic, and it works not only for laundry, but when you get a stain on your countertop, it gets it right off. This stuff works, it's non-toxic, and it's plant-based with no allergens. Try it out. I've turned out hundreds of people onto it, and they love it. Click my link down below, get 15% off the starter kit, get the premium one so you get their OxyClean. You will love it, and stop using these. I'm telling you, they're super bad for you and the people in your household. This one is really interesting. It's the collagen capsules here from You Theory. It's a great deal. And this is very interesting because you hear me talk about collagen all the time. And obviously Costco has the best deal ever on the Vital Proteins collagen peptides, but some people can't do the powder. They prefer the pills. Well, for a long time, I couldn't determine if this was grass-fed collagen, and it's good news, bad news. It's not grass-fed collagen, but according to their website, it's non-GMO bovine hide peptide. So that's good. It's probably coming from grain-fed cattle, but at least the cattle are having a non-GMO feed, so technically it's Bobby approved. Grass-fed would be even better. But if you take pills, I mean, come on, 390 tablets for $14.99, you will not find a better deal than that, and it's still going to be just as beneficial as the powdered collagen peptides. And remember, as you get older, your natural collagen goes away. You want to supplement that. I've been taking a scoop of collagen a day, 1 to 2 a day, for at least 5 years. You start losing the natural collagen in your body. It also helps with hair, which I just got a haircut the other day. I think it looks great. Your skin, your nails, also with joint pain. I can't tell you how many fans have told me, Bobby, after taking collagen for 3 to 4 weeks, my chronic joint pain went away. So I prefer the grass-fed powder from Vital Proteins or Thrive Market or anyone. But if you can't do that, this is a great product. And for that price, forget about it. Welcome to what I call the Rodney Dangerfield of the canned seafood industry, sardines. Incredibly nutrient dense, incredibly dense for your wallet. This is major savings here for 6 tins for $6.49. These right here are so darn good for you, and they're packed in olive oil. Look what it says right here. 1,700 milligrams of omega-3 fatty acids. I see a lot of people buying fish oil in capsules here at Costco. Some are on sale, other places. That's not the same quality as fresh, high quality fish oil from sardines. And not only are they sardines, they're packed in olive oil. Now, I wish it was extra virgin olive oil, but still the olive oil is going to be polyphenol antioxidant rich. A lot of people don't know how to use these, but it's such a nutrient-dense snack. Make an avocado toast at home with your favorite Bobby-approved bread, smash some avocados on top, or buy the pre-made avocado smash over here in Costco, and put this on top. It's so good. It's so good for you. If you don't mind spending a few more bucks, 6 tins for $10, I'd probably get this one because these are sardines packed in extra virgin olive oil. Let's double check there's no other ingredients here. No, right there. Natural smoke. That part is fine. These have the extra virgin olive oil. When you have extra virgin compared to the regular olive oil, this will be cold pressed. This is even more polyphenol antioxidant rich. Either way, you can't go wrong. And that deal is seriously good savings. If you meander over to the snack section, you're gonna see this. I love this name. Power Up Snack Mix is on sale. So you get 24 for $10.79. The thing is, most snack mixes or trail mix look like they're healthy. I mean, to be honest, they all look like they're healthy, but they're really just glorified candy. Now, this one isn't necessarily candy, but it looks healthy. They do a great job of branding, and the price is right. Here's my problem. The high energy trail mix, look at this. The cranberries are coated in sugar and inflammatory processed sunflower oil. The pineapple is coated in sugar. The papaya is coated in sugar. Are we seeing a theme here? The cashews are toasted in processed GMO canola oil. And the banana chips have added sugar and natural banana flavor. My friends, I think I understand why it's called the Energy Trail Mix, because you're gonna be hopped up on sugar, going crazy up and down that trail. That's ridiculous. So this is common for trail mixes, and why they're adding natural banana flavor. 2 banana pieces, I have no idea. So to be honest, very few trail mixes are Bobby approved. You're probably better off making your own. And I know that price is right, but the ingredients are wrong for many, many reasons. We're gonna put it back. I can't tell you how many people I see throw Premier Protein into your cart. If you're at Costco and you want protein, the Orgain that's on sale is your best option. And for me specifically, it'd be the grass-fed protein smoothie. But when you look at Premier Protein, people see this, 30 grams of protein, 1 gram of sugar, they're done. They put it in their cart. But if you were to read the ingredients, I don't think you would expect to find artificial flavorings in there. Sunflower oil is very common, but look at this. They put carrageenan and then fake sugar sucralose. In my opinion, this is literally a toxic concoction that, yes, has 30 grams of protein, but it's such horrific ingredients and a lot of gut disrupting ingredients, not something you want. So if you're at Costco, this is the one you want. It's not Bobby approved, but it's the best here at Costco. And to get 18 for $20 is a great deal. I like the fact for this one, it's 100% grass-fed dairy. Very hard to find that for most protein shakes, but the only thing I don't like, natural flavors, and they're still using sunflower oil, which is a highly processed inflammatory oil, and there's still gums and emulsifiers here, but at Costco, this is the best you can do if you have dairy, and the plant protein one is the best you can do for vegan, but it's the same problem, natural flavors and sunflower oil. But like I said, here at Costco, it's the best. The best, in my opinion, of course I'm biased, is the Flav City Protein Powder Smoothie. It's got over 1,500 5-star reviews after being out for 2 months. It's by far our best seller on shopflavcity.com. It's not a pre-made shake, but it's a pre-made smoothie powder. You shake it and you take it with none of these cruddy ingredients. But like I said, here at Costco, that's the one you want to get, and it's on sale. All right, Flav City family, that is it from Costco. There are no more sale items to report on for the June or July sale, but you know what's coming next. A hot warehouse finds, followed by the July-August sale. And of course, I'll be back here at Costco covering those items. But for now, I leave you like I always do. Hashtag keep on cooking. Mad love and peace. Later.